Stand installation. First, we need to turn the stand upside down. This side facing up. Then install the two side panels. Take out one screw, one spacer and one nut. Put the spacer on the screw and then put it through here. Then screw the nut onto the screw. Don't tighten the nut. Then install the back panel. Next, install the bottom panel. After screwing all the screws, then tighten them together. Need a 4mm hexagon and an 8 to 10 wrench. You need to hold it with your hand, let the sides even. After the side panel is even with the sides of the stand, then tighten it. The same goes for the back two panels. Before tightening the screws, you need to level them first. Next, we install the bottom wheels. We need one screw, one spring pad, and a spacer, a 5mm inner hexagon, screw the nuts on the feet to the bottom. Then screw it. The height of the foot should be lower than the wheels. After all the feet are screwed in, you can turn the shelf over. Take out the rubber pads from the toolbox. Place the rubber pads in these 4 holes. Then put the machine on the stand. Take out this pack of screws from the accessories box, an extra large hexagon wrench. Put a spring washer on the screw, then put the spacer on. Finally, tighten the 4 screws. Machine installation completed.